Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Retool as a beginner. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Retool web application. So if you don't have an account on Retool, then you will not be able to access all of these amazing features that Retool has to offer. So how do you create an account? It's pretty much simple. Just go ahead and launch it in the browser of your choice. Right here I'm using Chrome. At the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type retool.com and it's going to take you to the official website. Now, once you get to the official website, go through with the on-screen prompt to create an account. And once you're done creating an account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage right here. So you can now navigate a lot of options and features to have a great time on Retool. As we all know that through Retool, you can definitely create a web application or a mobile application with no formal coding experience or professional coding experience required. So Retool has wonderful templates that you can definitely work with, and you can definitely tweak to create the website application or the mobile application of your choice. So this is the home page, and as you can see the top corner, you're going to find applications, you're going to find resources, you're going to find database, you're going to find query library, and you're going to see workflows. So I'm going to take you through all of the features and the functions that they all represent. So in those applications, this is where, of course, it has a very beautiful interface. So here is where you can definitely create a web application by clicking on this hyperlink. And you can create a mobile application right here. You can also access the database here easily, and of course the resources as well if you don't want to go ahead and click on the top corner. Now scroll the way down, it says get started with AI. So if you don't want to build your website by yourself and you want the AI to help you, then just go ahead and start building with AI. All right, so right here I'm just going to scroll the way down. So this is all. So this is where all the website applications or all the things that I have built, this is where all of them are organized. So as you can see, this is what I have built so far. So scroll the way up and I'm taking you to the resources. So in the resources window, of course, this is where all the resources that you have added, this is where they are definitely added. All right, so and if you want to create new resources, that's just going to help you with the building of your website. You can go ahead and click on create new and you'll be able to create more resources as Retool allows you. The next is database. So right here in this database window, this is where you can add people and you can manage the people that are definitely working with you in building your website. But then let's just head over to query library. So right here in the query library, this is where Retool allows you to enter the query, using codes. All right, so if you want to make quick tweaks to your data, to change data or retrieve data, whatever you want, just go ahead and enter the code for it and then submit your query, and Retool would definitely accept it. So head over to workflows. Now in the workflows, this is where all of your projects are organized. This is where you're going to see everything that you have created right here, and you'll be able to manage all of the jobs and all of the projects that you have definitely started. Okay, so now I'm going to head over to applications right here so we can get started in building our website or mobile application. Of course, let's start with mobile. So let's go ahead and click on create a mobile application. Now we have to name this mobile application. And what do we do? Let's say Angels with Light. All right, now go ahead and click on the create app button and it's going to take you to the app editor. So this is Angels with Light, and you see they're definitely going to, Retool is definitely going to create a template, an existing template that you can definitely use and you can definitely tweak. So if you check this bottom left corner here, see there are templates that are definitely suggested to you. Now if you go ahead and click on any of these templates, it's just going to distort all of these templates that are already available here. So I'm just going to have to click on X, but if you want to use any of them, just go ahead and click on them. Let's say I'm clicking on these. Now it says to override your current project. Are you cool with that, or you're not cool with that? But I'm not cool with that, so I'm just going to have to click on X and allow my project to be the way it is. So this is where you can, the center is where you can definitely access your mobile application on like a home screen. This is where all of the editing are definitely reflected in. And then the right corner is where you can tweak or you can change the content and the appearance of what is definitely right here in the center. And then in this left corner is for you to add, drag and drop the things or the elements that you want to add to your mobile application. So let's say, for example, this is people list. Now you can definitely tweak this to fit or to suit your own mobile app taste. All right, so let's say this is people list and I say, oh, I don't really like this people list and I just want to change the title because it's just blah. Now head over to the right corner, you're gonna find people list right here. So let's see if we can edit this to special people. As you can see, it is already reflected right here. So that's it. So here is another. I'm just clicking on this name, and I want to change this name too because I am also not satisfied with that name there. These are not the names of my special people, and I want to change the names. So you're just gonna have to wait a couple seconds for this. So as you can see, this is collection view, and this is somebody. So this is an image that I don't want. So just go ahead and click on the image. And once you click on the image, check the right corner. Now you can definitely have to insert your image source. So this is where you insert the URL of the new image that you want. Let's say you head over to Google and you see an image that you want to download. Go ahead and click on the link right there of the image and then come post it here. So once you post the link here, it's going to be reflected here. So here's the interaction, all right, and then this interaction tab, you're gonna see click, get roles, and then this ratio. Just of course you want to improve the appearance of your site, of your mobile application. Go ahead and click that, and then cover. Do you want to change it to contain, stretch, center? How do you want to fit to size? Let's say contain, and of the corners if you wanna hitting, and all of this. So head over to this right corner, left corner rather. You're gonna see navigation, people list screen, and then people detail screen, and my profile screen. So let us head over to my profile screen, which is what we're finding right here. So you can go ahead and click on this if you do not like this, right? This is an image, and you just go through the process again and embed the URL. So I've embedded a new URL, and I'm expecting that to also change. And let's see, this is Amy. So this is an email as well. This is heading 1. You can also change that heading 1 to something else. Go ahead and click on that, remove it, and then change it to whatever you want it to be there. So these are all of the things. These are all of the tweaks that you can definitely make and change to your application or your mobile application on Retool. Just go ahead and keep editing. Click on any of the features. So this is navigation, so click on any of them. All right, this is the people list. All right, so click on any of them at the left corner and then change them, and you'll be good to go. So once you're done creating your mobile application, you cannot be satisfied knowing that, oh, I have created one. And of course, if you want to preview, go ahead and click on go to app to preview. So once you click on go to app, you're going to see a preview of your application. And if you want to share the mobile application so that people can start using once it has been launched and once you're satisfied with it, go ahead and click on the share button and you'll be good to go. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.